water, there needs to be a cultural shift.
You would never watch someone get in their car impaired with a beer in their hand and drive away. But people watch people do the same thing all the time in a boat.
Something else to consider while on the water, the pounding of the sun, the vibration of the boat. A couple of beers can feel like the end of a long pub crawl. Mark Strassman, CBS News, Panama City Beach, Florida.
New on WHIO TV tonight, we have the winning numbers in the almost $500 million Mega Millions jackpot. The numbers are at the bottom of your screen. 10, 17, 33, 51, 64, and the mega ball is 5. Now, if those are your numbers on your ticket, you can take the cash option for $240 million. Not bad.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
We've been talking a lot about just the temperature and just how it feels outside, and there were so many people out there, but it was starting to get a little sticky.
Yeah, and it's even more so now than it was earlier this evening as winds out of the southwest have continually brought in some of that mugginess across the region. Right now, as that car is turning left in downtown Xenia, he could probably open the window and feel temperatures in the 70s. Right now at the airport, 75 degrees. With some mainly clear skies, there's a little bit of cloud cover out there, but that southwesterly wind, it's not the strongest, but it's continued blowing out of the southwest for about 24 hours now. And so what's southwest of us? Well, warmer states, more humid states, and so that air is coming up this way, and it feels a little bit more muggy. Now, if you want to get technical, dew points are in the low 60s, which means that, yeah, there's a considerable amount of moisture in the air. Could be worse, but the muggy meter shows we're no longer green. Earlier today, we still had a majority green viewing area here, but now we've got more yellow and even orange across the region. So, yeah, it's starting to feel sticky, if not even muggy in a few places. And with that extra humidity, it's going to be harder for the temperature to drop. Right now, we're in the mid-70s, no rain across the region, but the winds, like I mentioned, have been blowing out of the southwest, and so they're not very strong, but this is the way. In fact, actually now there's more of a southerly component. At least it's blowing out of the southwest at the airport, but that southerly component really starting to pump some of that moisture in across the region. So expect kind of a warm and muggy week ahead with a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms. That'll help fuel the chances. Temperatures right now, like I mentioned, in the 70s, have at least one place in the 60s, 68 degrees in Richmond, and we are a little bit warmer than this time yesterday. So we've just progressively been getting a little bit warmer. Probably won't be much warmer than this throughout the next several days. Temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. That's pretty average for this time of year. And lows down in the low 70s with some clear conditions to start off. Now, low temperatures this morning got down in the mid 60s. Some places even the 50s, like Urbana, Springfield, Richmond. In fact, yesterday we got down to, I think, 63, and then the day before that was 61. So it was a really cool start to the morning. But your mornings are going to be a little bit milder now as there is more moisture. You can see here over the next 24 hours, temperatures only dropping to the low 70s by 5 a.m., upper 60s likely when all's said and done. Area 5 pressure off to the east now. That's why we have those southerly winds. And not really seeing much rain, but there is that line of showers and a couple thunderstorms, but they've really begun to fade out. So the futurecast shows showers, yeah, potentially as we move into Wednesday morning, but as that line moves through, it really kind of breaks up. Now, we're also looking at a better chance of some isolated showers, perhaps late Wednesday evening. I still say most of your Wednesday looks pretty dry, but then Thursday and Friday, you'll also notice the chance of some pop-up showers and thunderstorms like right here. So while we do have rain every day on the 7-day forecast, doesn't mean it's going to rain every day at your house or all day. There will be rain on the radar. But the temperature is really not budging very much. Isolated showers and thunderstorms is what we expect. Severe weather, I mean, it really is pretty low, but there will be a couple rumbles of thunder some days.
Thank you, Robert. New tonight, Britney Spears is releasing a memoir. The Woman in Me will hit shelves on October 24th.